It's 4 degrees in the shop, so we're going to design a knife today. First, you want to start off in a quiet area. Having less distractions will facilitate your design. I like to start with a longer center line than what I think I'll need. Now you have to decide on the overall length. I prefer 7 1/4 to 7 1/2 total length for fixed blade designs. That seems to work the best for me in regards to carry comfort, ease of use, and how it fits and feels in my hands. And if you're a new maker, I highly recommend you keep those in the back of your head when you're drawing your designs. So I'm going with 7 1/2 inches or 19.5 centimeters to my friends across the pond. Now, my idea for this blade is a reverse edge. This design has been done very well in the past by the likes of Shivworks, Craig Douglas, and Ernest Emerson of Everson Knives. I'm going to add 2 1/4-inch holes to this handle. And what I like to do is go 1 inch off the butt end of it and then go 2 inches up. It's not perfectly centered, but I like how it looks. Grabbing the French curve tool, I'm going to lay out the handle. I kind of just overlay it and see what looks good, what I think will be comfortable in hand. And I'll just add a few touches here. Some happy little curves. Whoops. There we go. One thing to think about with knife design is how it's going to feel not just in your hand, but in the client's hand as well. Actually almost wanted to have a little bit of swoop. The French curve moved a little bit there. Hopefully nobody noticed. And I'm actually going to use this one just to put a little indent there. I can't remember the official knife name. I'm sure someone in the comments could remind me what it is. And that just facilitates in sharpening. So when you're sharpening the knife yourself at home as a client, you'll have a nice break. Makes it easier in the sharpening. I'm going to make this a little bit longer. So it's probably like 7 5/8 maybe. There's Mr. Eraser again, hard at work. go. There we go, the right tool for the job. I can't remember exactly. Whoops. Can't remember exactly how I positioned the French carve the first time. So we'll just kind of clean it up. Doesn't have to be perfect. I like to outline with a 0.5. It's not too thick, but it does let the design stand out. And I like the looks of just freehanding this. You can feel free to use your ruler and French curves and circle templates again if you'd like. Knife design is so therapeutic to me. Knife design just has an element of mental therapy for me, where I can just concentrate on the design, see what I can come up with. Nice happy little line there. And we'll flip it over, match it up, and get it close to what it was. Whoops. Don't pay attention to that. That was meant to be there. Okay, let's get to the blade part here. I'm just going to clean this up a little bit since we went a little bit longer in length. There we go. Now on the blade, I do like to use a ruler. I want to have as straight edge as possible when I cut the template out. Alright, let's erase the guidelines so we can focus on the design. Mr. Eraser doing all the hard work, as always. Little just touch-ups. Is that little spot on the bottom bothering anyone else? That the eraser left a little gift on the bottom. We're just gonna add some shading lines here. So give the handle a little bit of depth. It just looks nice. I'm gonna go the other direction now and add some more happy little lines. And some more over here. I'm really a big fan of cross-hatching. And it reminds me of when I was in 6th grade. My art teacher would let me go get my lunch and then take lunch in the art room because I was such an introvert and I didn't like the loud cafeteria or the bullies. And man, that really helped me out. Let's add some color now. Go light along the edge here. And this is just to add more of a feel to it and make the design pop. And you're gonna see here, I use a little bit too darker. Whoops. Okay. We're just gonna pretend we did this on purpose. We're using a darker marker than I intended to. So we'll swap it up to a lighter gray. There we go. I really love these markers. They look like watercolors and it looks like I spent hours doing this. Just gonna fill it in with some nice tones here. as you're drawing the knife, I find it's really fun to imagine what different colors and textures you could add to it to set yourself apart from all the other millions of knife makers that are out there. With knives, it's hard to come up with a new design because they've been done for so many thousands of years. But you can make your own unique style with colors and texture, and shapes, of course. Well, most designs kind of have been worked out on what works best. Let's fill this up with some more color. I went with a grayish brown here. Whoop, there we go. We're just filling in a little bit here. Now, I need a favor from you. We're just going to darken the handle. The knife isn't done yet. I need your help, friend. Leave a comment below on what you think the knife should be called. And if I pick your comment, I'll send you a care package from GLG. And I'm just blending a little bit, adding some color. Let's add a little color back here too. A nice happy little gray color. I added some gray and I decided I wanted it a little bit blacker. I really like how it's coming out so far. Knife design is just one part of being a knife maker. Check this video out for some pro kydex tips and tricks. And that's it. Thanks for hanging out.